Uthi ubaba Meya, njengoba isimo sinje simanzonzo, let me help you. Let me go to the depot and make sure that everything ihamba ngomomo while you focus on into ekwenzakalele. So I'll make sure that everything is running smooth and nicely. This was soon after ubaba Mfundisi just walked in and said, "Ndoda, sinawe sikhala kanye nawe. We are just here ukukududuza and we are not going anywhere. We just want you to know ukuthi we are in this together. So kubamba ndoda uzuqine ube umqemane." Now uSiza, knowing who he is like uyayibonela phambili ukuthi lo ngathi ufuna ukungihlwitha into zami. No, don't worry, the depot is fine and ubaba Mfundisi is making sure ukuthi yonke into ihamba ngomomo. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani abusheni, molweni minjani, iphukile hingongwina. So namuhla kano ngonokwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors. Umakholide feels like the relationship that he's in, it's not really roses and flowers like he thought. It's not daisies and flowers. I don't know what do they call it. But nje ungathi sekafuna ukuhlehlela emuva because ingane ezu-6 pho. 1, I understand. 2, maybe. 3 is too much. 6, cha, akhonakala ayikwazi. Manje now the question is, how do I then go back while sekwenza ama-video call nabantwana uthi khuluma no-Daddy G. So how does that even begin to happen? On the other side, ke yonke into, it's a mess. Umpendulo is not taking it so well ukuthi uma wakhe akesekho, and then he is trying to put 2 and 2 together ukuthi no, so it means that lama post lawo bekawaposta, this is what she actually meant. Manje ubaba kaMpendulo does not believe uSiza. That's one thing, ukuthi ngiyamazi uThandiswa is not like this. uLeroy as well does not believe uSiza. So it's like okay, here's another thing. Ubaba Phoyisa ufikile, and then uSiza was just telling the story, this sad story, how it all happened and how he could not think straight and everything. Now my question is, remember uMam Nomeva came to you and reported that uThandiswa does not write like this. Konokshaya mans. Now why is ubaba Phoyisa, why is it not clicking engqondweni yakhe ukuthi no man, this I was told, yo yazi ngizokhala yazi. Why is he not thinking about